this is a super interesting video, isn't it? And I mean, who's this?
I don't know, but to tell you what, he's actually a really nice guy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've met him a few times. Stunningly good looking, obviously, you know, but never shuts up.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, he's always got something to say.
Hold on a second. Oh, Mark, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Welcome, how you doing?
Yeah, really good. How are you?
I'm good, actually, I'm really enjoying the show. Yeah, it's very busy, very colourful, lots of things going on. I have to say, it's I'm very impressed.
Oh, good, good, good. So I'm going to ask you what brings you down. I think it's quite obvious what brings you down, but talk to us a little bit about your involvement.
Okay, so I've gotten involved with Made for Trade and Corniche, who are doing roof lanterns and bifold doors. And it's really quite interesting because when you're asked to take on a product and be the ambassador for that product, it's quite worrying because you don't want to take something on that's sort of going to smear your name or anything, you know. I came and the guys were great. They took me to the factory and they showed me the product and I looked at everything that was on board and it was absolutely fantastic, from the manufacturing to the delivery, the product, absolutely everything about it was just amazing. So I said to my agent, you know what, I'd be really happy to go with them. And I've ended up here today in Birmingham at the NEC watching this bloke on TV and chatting to you.
I mean, a win-win-win situation, in my opinion.
Well, it is win-win-win, and it's just great. It's just nice to be out there doing stuff, and it's really nice to be here in England and seeing the industry blossom, and people manufacturing and producing really high-quality products. You know, and you know, for years we've talked about how the Germans run their factories and how they do this, that, and the other. We do it here in Great Britain, and we do it better than everybody else. It's fantastic.
And is it nice to see it all under one roof?
Oh, it's lovely, you know. And not only is it nice to see it under one roof, they put so much thought into it. It's colourful, it's bright, it's exciting. It's not one of those shows you're going to be walking around sort of dragging your heels thinking, oh, when am I going to get out the back door? It's fun, it brings you in, it's got lots to look at, lots to feel. There's interesting people here, there's engineering going on in our country that can go into our homes, shops and offices, and you can find it all here when it comes to glass and aluminium. And you know, working with Made for Trade is absolutely brilliant, because tradesman myself, I want a product that I can get my hands on and fit easily, fast, and leave a really good product for the customer.
Yeah, and I mean, going back to what you mentioned earlier, I know you're a very, very busy man. I mean, so much going on in your life. So the fact that you're here is fantastic. You're working with a great team at Made for Trade. But the fact that you can sell something that you're so passionate about, with your experience in the industry as well, it must be really nice to be able to just take a step back and go, yeah, come and speak to these guys.
Yeah, well, it is. It's really nice to be able to give someone a product that when they go home, they absolutely love it. The client sits down, they look out the roof light, or they slide open their bifold doors and wander out and have a gin and tonic, whatever they happen to do, you know. You know you're not going to get any feedback, any complaints, whatever, because it is second to none. So I am really happy. I am more than happy to work along with this company, because actually I'm quite proud to be with them.
Yeah, and I think that is enough said. Mark, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Anyway.
Yeah, we just got to finish watching our film, but yeah, we're done.